So what's in the box? Well, we have the Sentro Knitting Machine. We have 4 balls of yarn, and we have a package of tools and accessories. And then we have the instructions. Let's take a look at the yarn. It seems there are 2 what maybe 4-weight yarn and 2 that I would say is about a 3-weight, which is a DK weight. The only thing it says on the labels is knitting accessories. There's no other information. But I'm thinking it's probably acrylic. Okay, here's the machine. We have the handle for turning the pegs. We have the, let's see, yarn guide. And then there's the row counter right here. And then down here, let's see, I'll move this down a little. Right down here, we have a switch for panel knitting and tube knitting. P is for panel, T is for tube. Very easy to understand. There is a tension lever that fits in here. That will be in this bag. So let's take a look at what's in the bag. This is a 48 hook or needle Sentro knitting machine. Let's look what's in this bag. All right, so we have a screwdriver. Suction cups for the legs and screws. We have 4 legs. And here's the tension lever. And then we have a crochet hook. Does it give a size? Looks like it's 3.75 millimeter. Okay, plastic. Everything seems to be plastic. And then we have these 3 yarn needles, different lengths. We're going to install the leg in these slots. I found with the other 3 legs that I've already done that if I push this outwards a little bit towards the outside of the machine, it just slides in very easily. We're now going to secure the leg with the screw that was supplied. The screwdriver that was supplied also is magnetic, so your screw should not fall off. Screw that in securely. Now attach the suction cup by pushing it through this slot. It might take a little bit of wiggling. Now, after struggling to get the other 3 suction cups onto the bottoms of the legs, I discovered a solution. Grease it up. This is just hand lotion. I'm just putting it on around there. This has to shove in there to the bottom of the leg. So I pushed it in a little bit. What I did was wipe the excess off my fingertips, took the screwdriver they supplied, put it under where that notch is, right there. I'm going to push against that. And then I'm going to grab the top of the suction cup like this. I'm going to pull it and push the bottom at the same time. And there we go. It is on. Next is the tension lever. They don't say in the instructions how to install this, but this is very flexible, these two pieces here. Make sure you have this piece pointing up. The bottom is this. That doesn't move. All right, so you put it like that, you squeeze in one side, fit it in the hole, squeeze in the other side, fit it in the hole. Installed. And your Sentro is assembled. Time to start knitting.